Hello student, welcome back to our computer class. Okay, today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is lesson number 5, handling a mouse. So mouse, all of you know the mouse? Yes, where you have seen this mouse? In school and also in your home, right? So how is this mouse? It is small, okay, small little tiny part of a computer system, right? And it has a tail, okay, which is fixed to the CPU. It has 2 or 3 button on it, right? It is nothing but the mouse. So what is the use of this mouse? It is used to draw pictures, to play games, and also to select any item on the screen. Okay, for this purpose this mouse is used. So in this lesson we are learning in more detail about this mouse, how it is used. Okay, so a mouse is an input device. What is a mouse? Mouse is an input device, okay, which help us to move the pointer. Now what is this pointer? So on a computer you see a arrow type will appear. When you open a computer there is a arrow type structure will come, okay. So when you move this mouse, that arrow also start moving in that direction. That is nothing but that arrow we will call the pointer. What we call that arrow? Arrow is nothing but a pointer. We call that arrow as a pointer, okay. Where you move the mouse, that pointer will also move. If you want to select any item on the screen, you move the through a mouse and you click on any folder or file, okay. This pointer will also move on that folder, okay. If you want to draw any picture on the computer, okay, what will happen? Just you move the mouse, that pointer will move as per that mouse will move, okay. So it is help us to move the pointer and draw pictures on the computer screen. It also help to play game on a computer screen. This mouse is small in size, okay. Now only I have told you that it is small in size and has a tail which is attached to the CPU. So this is our mouse. See, it has a tail, okay. We will call it as a cable, okay, which is fixed to the CPU. So this mouse has a 2 button, left button, right button. Why it is called left button? Because the button on the left side is called a left button because it is in on the left hand side, okay. And why right button? Because it is on the right hand side, okay. The button on the right side is called a right button. Got it now? And where we will keep this mouse? Have you seen in your school when you handle this mouse, you have to handle it on the mouse pad. There is one pad, black, white or gray color, okay. Only on that pad only you have to move that mouse, right? So this is the feature of the mouse. Now we will see in more details. Mouse pointer. Now only I have told you, okay, the arrow type structure will be appear on the screen, okay. That is nothing but the pointer. That is nothing but the pointer. We also called it as a mouse pointer. Where you move the mouse, that pointer will also move, okay. It is a slant arrow on the screen, okay. That arrow I told you, it look like a arrow on the screen. It is nothing but the pointer which show mouse movement. It is a slant arrow on the screen which show mouse movement. Means where you move the mouse on the mouse pad, that pointer will also move. Mouse has a ball at its bottom. This mouse has a ball at its bottom. A mouse is moved, the pointer move on the screen in the same direction. Now only I have told you, where you move the mouse on the same direction, the pointer will also move. So this is nothing but the mouse pointer. Have you seen it, right? whenever you open the computer, first it will appear, okay, arrow, that is nothing but the mouse pointer. Now look here, where you move the mouse, this arrow will get moved. Where you move the mouse, this arrow get moved. Got it till this? Yes? Okay. Now the next is mouse pad. Okay, now only I have told you that on which you can put your mouse. Okay, whether it is black color, gray color or white color, that it is nothing but the mouse pad. The pad on which we move the mouse is known as the mouse pad. So we put our mouse on this mouse pad and we will move on this mouse pad only. Okay, that's why it is called a mouse pad. We keep it on this pad and we move the mouse on this pad. Okay, holding and moving the mouse. Now how you have to hold that mouse. Okay, there is a particular type, so that you have to hold in that particular way. And how to move the mouse. Keep the mouse on the mouse pad. Okay, keep the mouse on the mouse pad. Place your arm on the mouse. Okay, so this is your palm. Okay, you have to place this palm on the mouse and hold it with your thumb. You have to hold it with your thumb. Okay, like this you have to hold. And last two fingers. And last two fingers, like this you have to hold. First you have to place your arm on the mouse and you have to hold with your thumb, and this last two fingers, this last. Okay, you have to hold. Got it? Like this way you have to hold. Place your index finger on the left button. This is your index finger. Which finger it is? It is your index finger. So this index finger you have to put on the left button. Which button? Left button. And your middle finger, this is your middle finger. Okay, this is your index finger, this is your middle finger. So index finger you will put on the left button and middle finger will you put on the right button. Got it? Index finger on left button, middle finger on the right button. Got it now? Okay. Move the mouse on the mouse pad. Now with the help of your hand you can move the mouse on the mouse pad. Watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. Now with your palm. Okay, with your palm now you can start moving the mouse. Okay, when you move the mouse, see what will happen to the arrow that is on the screen. As you move your palm, or you can move that mouse that you have holding your palm. Okay, in which direction you will move, on the same direction that this pointer will also move. Okay, try this at your home computer. Okay. Now see, like this way you have to hold. See where is in the palm. Okay, you have to palm on the base of mouse. Okay, you have to put your palm on the mouse. See your, where is your left index finger is on the left mouse button. Which is your index finger? This one is your index finger. Okay, and where is the middle finger? This one is index finger and this one is your middle finger. See, it is on left and it is on right mouse button. So see here, we have put that index finger on the left mouse button and the middle finger on the right mouse button, and with the help of thumb is on the side of mouse, and that last two finger, this two finger is also holding the mouse, right? And this thumb is also on the side of a mouse, and this last two finger is also on the side of the mouse. With this two finger we have hold the mouse, and this two finger we are going to operate the mouse. Got it now? Up till now this how to handle holding and move the mouse. Okay, so in this class we have learned little about mouse, where we how this mouse is used in a computer system, like to select any item on the screen, to play games, and to draw. We also seen this mouse is kept on a mouse pad. Okay, and we also see how to hold and move the mouse. Okay, like index finger will be put on the left mouse button, middle finger will be put on the right mouse button, thumb on the side of the mouse. Okay, in this way we have seen how to hold the mouse and how to move the mouse. As we move the mouse, the arrow, or we can say pointer, will move on the screen. In next class we will see more about the use of this mouse. Till then, revise whatever I have teach you today. Till then, bye.